Hi everybody, this is Mr. P. I'm going to be your teacher for the rest of Earth Science. I was also your teacher the first semester too. I just wanted to take a moment to go over the syllabus real quickly, to go over a couple little things as we roll into the second half of the year here. First off, this is the syllabus. I have it on the screen. I want you to notice that my Google Meet times had changed. I know people generally don't go to the Google Meet. You can if you want. It's a good place to answer or ask questions. If for some reason the Google Meet is not, if I'm not there, or if it's not up at that time, please send me an email right away. Sometimes I have it running in the background and it shuts off on its own. So I meet Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 11:55 to 12:55 in the middle of the day. Sometimes on Fridays I have meetings, so I will post in the updates if I have to leave. So there are definitely some Fridays that are tough. I will always try to check email even outside of my office hours. Okay, so send me an email anytime. I'm generally checking quite a bit. So we are on the second part of the year. So we're going to be in Unit 4 when we come back. We're going to be doing rocks, minerals, and landforms. Then Unit 5 is my favorite. That's the universe, the sun, and the solar system. So it's about astronomy and the planets and everything. And then we finish off with climate and weather. So again, grading, there's generally a start here of some sort. There might not always be, but I post everything by the week anyway. So I don't do it by like section or anything. I do one section per week, and then at the end of the unit, then we take a test. So grading, two categories again. 80% is summative and 20% is formative. Make sure you take the tests. Some people got caught at the end of the semester and never took the last test and their grade tanked. You have to take the tests and you have to try. You have to do well. And you get 2 attempts. So if the first one doesn't go very well, try it again. Okay, make sure to try it again. Email me with questions, and you can always try and get into the Google Meet. As far as academic honesty, we want you to be honest and ask questions and don't cheat and all that sort of thing. But again, please reach out to me if you have questions. Check the updates. Take a look at your Schoology mail. I sometimes send blasts out and I send them to your parents. So by all means, email me with questions, but don't wait until too long, okay? All right, that's all I've got. Good luck this semester, and like I said, reach out if you've got questions.